Katie said it was 20 minutes, but really it's more like 30. But it's not so steep, so it doesn't feel so long. And I know this is just a TV show and it's not real. I saw...
Oh! Come on, Katie, get it together. Dad? Kevin?
I think I saw this one. I used to love ant with robots in it. Funny. I've kind of lost interest in movies these days.
Hey guys. So, I'm on my own in this janky old cabin and the cupboard door's just open by itself. Honest to God, this is not a setup. I'm gonna go see what's inside the cupboard.
Okay, Dad, what's this? This is the Pooka.
Sorry, guys. I could have sworn this was a rat. I almost died. Where's he gone?
Holy cabbage.